Hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain 6th class Maths chapter 9 Introduction to Algebra. Okay, before going to that, first you should know patterns or making rules. Okay, here few patterns are there. Let us see the patterns which are there in the textbook itself. So, just I am showing and I will explain. Pattern 1. Suppose for making a human face, okay, how many black stickers are used for eyes? Okay, suppose this is a one human face. For making a human face, how many for representing eyes? Okay, how many black stickers are needed? How many needed? 2 black stickers. Yes or no? For 2 human faces, 4 black stickers. Yes or no? For one human face 2, for next human face 2. 2 plus 2, 4 black stickers are needed for representing eyes. Okay. Yes or no? Now, let us see this. Then, Monique added one more human face. So, number of black stickers required 6. Yes or no? 3 for 3 human faces. And Praveen also added one more. So total 4 human faces. For 4 to the 8 black stickers are needed for representing eyes, right? So like that pattern will arise. See here, number of human faces formed for 1, for 2, for 3. See, number of black stickers are required. For one human face, 2 black stickers. For 2 human faces, 4. For 3 human faces, 6. For like that similar way here for 4 human faces, how many? 8. For 5, 10. Like that we can write. Yes or no? Now see here, you will get a number of black stickers 2 table. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Right? Yes or no? So like that. Also represented as pattern formation. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2 3s are 6, 2 3. So like that it pattern will come. So 2 is common for every time. Okay, so 2 is a common here. Just these numbers are changing, means number is changing, number of human faces. If 1, 2 black sticker, if 2 human, 4 black sticker, like that. So this number is changing. 2 is a constant, so 2 we can write the pattern for this. 2 into n. So 2 is common, n is taking number of human faces. Okay, this is a pattern 1, 2n. Okay, next second pattern. See, to make a triangle 3 matchsticks are required. If you want to make 2 triangles, we need 6 matchsticks. Yes or no? See, 1 2 3 for one triangle, for second triangle also 3. So 3 plus 3 6. For 2 triangles we need 6 matchsticks. Yes or no? Next is, for that similar pattern, number of triangles to be formed, like 1 2 3 4 up to so on, number of matchsticks are required. So for one triangle 3, for 2 triangles 6, for 3 triangles 9, like that. So here 3 is common. So 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, like that. So we can write the pattern for this. 3 into n, 3n we can write. Yes or no? Next, for pattern 3, to make a square we required 4 matchsticks. Yes or no? 1 2 3 4, like this. Okay, like that. For 2 squares 8, for 3 squares 3 4s are 12, right? So pattern 3, number of squares to be formed, like 1 2 3, and number of matchsticks required 4 8 12 up to so on. So observation, 4 is common. Yes or no? Number of matchsticks required 4 times number of squares to be formed. Okay, now after these patterns, variable concept is variable. Very simple. Variable definition. Variable means in the name itself only there. Variable means changing, varying. Okay, A symbol which takes various numerical values is called a variable. A symbol which can take various numerical values is called a variable. So variable we can use as small x, y, z, or small letters a, b, c. Okay, these we can use as variables. Okay, so next is more patterns. More patterns, see here, more patterns something is there. So number of matchsticks is equal to 3 into number of squares plus 1. This is one more pattern. Okay, if common, if you attach together, so for 1 4 matchsticks, for 2 instead of 6 here we will get only 5 matchsticks. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Instead of 8 we should get only 7. Why? Because one stick is common for this and this. That's what one is less. So here 3s plus 1 we can write the pattern for this. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to exercise questions. This chapter is very simple. That's what I am explaining in the textbook itself. Just to here only questions are there. Okay, I think no need of using board for this. Yes or no? You can understand easily, right? You are very intelligent students now. Yes or no? So next exercise 9.1. First question. Find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following matchsticks patterns. Okay, a pattern of letter T. Pattern of letter T. See, very simple. For pattern of letter T, for T, how many sticks required? Only 2 sticks. Okay, for this one, for this one. So here pattern for making T is 2n. 2 into n, 2n. For pattern for letter T. Pattern for making letter T. Letter T is 2n. Okay, so similar way, second bit, pattern of letter E. Pattern of letter E. For E letter, how many sticks? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 sticks, matchsticks are required. Okay, so for a pattern for letter E, 5 into n, 5n. Okay, next, what letter given? Pattern for letter Z. Z, see here, if you see the Z letter, how many? 1 2 3. So 3 sticks are required. So pattern for common we are writing now. Pattern, same word we should write. Pattern for letter Z. How many? 3n. 3 into n, 3n. Okay, like that we can write the answers for these questions. Next, second question. Make a rule between the number of blades required and number of fans, say n, in a hall. Okay, for one fan, how many blades it will be? Wings. Okay, so 3 wings for one fan. Like that, here pattern they are asking, so we can write 3 into n. See, for one fan, 1 2 3. 3 blades are there. Okay, for one fan. For n number of fans, 3 into n. Yes or no? So pattern for fan is 3n. 3 into n, 3n. Next to third question. Find a rule for the following patterns between number of shapes formed and number of matchsticks required. Okay, here see, for one pattern, see, 1 2. 1 2 3 4. Here 2, here 4. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, here 2, here 4, here 6, means 2 to increasing. Yes or no? So we can write a pattern 2s. Next, for this is 3, this is 6, this is 9. So 3 increasing. Yes or no? So 3 into s. We can write the rule. Okay, next, fourth question. The cost of 1 pen is 7 rupees. Then what is the rule for the cost of n pens? Okay, for one pen cost is 7 rupees, means n number of pens means 7n. Pattern for this is 7n. Just 7n, write down answer. Okay, just to multiply number of pens with cost. So we will get the pattern, right? Next, first, but we are if you are writing in the class works, first what is the given information? You should write given that cost of 1 pen is 7 rupees. Then the cost of n pens is equal to question mark. Then the rule is 7n. That's it. You can write the steps. Okay. Next, the cost of one bag is 90 rupees. What is the rule for the cost of m bags? Very simple. Cost is multiplied by number of things. Yes or no? M bags. M into 9. We can write simply 9m. Yes or no? Next, the rule for purchase of books is that a cost of q books is 23q. Then find the price of the one book. Okay, see here. Rule for purchase of books is that of cost q books is 23q. Okay, then find the price of one book. One book price just cost divided by number of books. Here cost is 23. Number of books, number of cost of q books, q number of books q. So 23 by q. The price of one book will be gives only 23. Okay. Next, seventh one. John says that he has two books less than Gayatri. Write the relationship using letter X. John says that he has two books less than Gayatri. Write the relationship using letter X. Here he has two books less than Gayatri. Let us take number of books with Gayatri X. Then number of books with John X minus 2. Why? Because two books are less na. Then write the relationship using letter X. So X minus 2. Number of books with John X minus 2. Okay. Next, I hope you understand this question. First, stepwise you can write number of books with Gayatri. That is the question number 7. See the question number 7. Number of books with Gayatri. Gayatri X. Why? Because they mentioned specially you should take the variable as X. Okay. So now number of books with John. Number of books Gayatri with minus 2. Why? Because two books less than with Gayatri is no? So X minus 2. This is the answer. Okay. Next is see 8th question. Rekha has 3 books more than twice the books with Suresh. Write the relationship using letter Y. Okay. Rekha has 3 books more than twice the books with Suresh. First number of books with Suresh, let us take Y. So next to 8th question. Number of books with Suresh. Y. Twice they said no. So twice will gives 2y. Okay. Next is what said. Write the relationship using letter Y. Rekha has 3 books more than. Okay, Rekha. Number of books with Rekha. With Rekha. Okay. Number of books with Suresh. Twice of number of books with Suresh. And 3 books more. More means plus 3 extra. So 2y plus 3. Number of books with Rekha 2y plus 3 is the answer. 8th question. Okay. Next is 9th question. A teacher distributes 6 pencils per student. Can you find how many pencils are needed for the given number of students? Use Z for the number of students. For each student, teacher given 6 pencils. No? So Z number of students are Z. There na. So 6 into Z. 6Z. Yes or no? Next, complete the each table to generate the given functional relationship. Okay, very simple. Just I will tell you few you should do remaining. Okay, first bit is given x 3x plus 2. Okay, so here 1 2 3, just I will tell you 3, and last one I will tell you why, because that value is given but number not given, that I will show you. Okay, so how to calculate. This is the first bit. See here, I took x values are given, we can find 3x plus 2 value for with respect to value. Okay, very simple. Just to take x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, then 3x plus 2 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. So if x is equal to 1, 3x plus 2 value is 5. If x is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2, here 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8. Okay, here 8. Next x is equal to 3. 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Okay, so if x is equal to 3, 3x plus 2 value is 11. Okay, like this for 4 5 you can find it. This one different. Here all x values we substituted here, but this value is given, we can find x value. How to find? 3x plus 2 is equal to 38 given, we can find x value. 3x is equal to 38, transpose of plus 2 will becomes minus 2. 3x is equal to 36, x is equal to 36 by 3. Here do the cancellation, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. So x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. So if 3x plus 2 is equal to 38, then x value is 12. That blank we can write after getting the x value. Like this we can find. Okay, for similar way, for a second question, second bit also there. See, instead of x they given a, so a value you can substitute and you can find the values. Okay, and a similar way last bit also changed. 5a minus 1 is equal to 49, then what is a value? Okay, once I will explain few. See here, second bit a, here 5a minus 1. I will explain for 1 and 3, 6 and 7, 9 you can do, 8 also do. I will tell you 49. If it is 4, see here 49 is given, then what is the a value? Here if a is equal to 1, for understanding I am explaining. See, 5 minus 1, 4. Got it now? 4 is given already. So if a is equal to 3, 5 into 3 minus 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 1, 15 minus 1, 14. Okay, so 14 is given. Similar way you can find it. Now 49. Actually 5a minus 1 is equal to 49 given. 5a is equal to 49 plus 1. Transpose of minus 1 will becomes plus 1. So 49 plus 1, 50. A is equal to 50 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5 10s are 50. 5 10s are 50 cancellation. So A is equal to 10. If 5a minus 1 is equal to 49, then A value is 10. Like this we can find the value. Okay, I hope you understand for second bit also. Next, see here 10 questions completed. So 1 3 I explained for you. For 6 7 9 8 do it by substituting a value here, then you will get the values. Okay, still any questions? Yes, questions are there. So 11th one, observe the following pattern. Very simple. Shape 1 3 matchsticks, shape 2 5, shape 3 7, shape 4 9, shape 5 11 are there. See the series numbers 3 5 7 9 11, right? So count the number of line segment in each shape. How many line segment will 9 such shapes contain? Okay, up to 5 is given. For 6 shape, how it will be? Here 2 to increasing, no, 11 plus 2 13. For shape 6 13, For shape 7, 13 plus 2, 15. For shape 8, 15 plus 2, 17. For shape 9, 17 plus 2, 19. So for shape 9, there will be 19 line segments. Okay, very simple now. Next, write the rule for the above pattern. For this pattern, what pattern will come? Yes, rule will come. 3 plus 2 into n minus 1. Pattern is 3 plus 2 into n minus 1. Okay, I hope you understand. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me and share to your friends, relatives. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.